Johnny, 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 reptile, Johnny, Johnny, reptile, Johnny, 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 reptile.
What's going on, everyone? 2 chicken ramens with 2 eggs, 4 cherry tomatoes, and I actually put garlic powders and black peppers in this one. A different flavor. I haven't put garlic powders in a ramen noodle in years. So this should be interesting. Today's Monday. Hope y'all are starting the week off right. Okay, let's see what this is all about. Decent. Tomato. Another tomato. Another tomato. A 4th tomato. And a 5th and final tomato. Have y'all ever had a 5th and final tomato? Try it out sometime. Garlic powders and crushed black pepper. It's a good combo. Gotta be careful with it though. There is too much garlic powder. There is such a thing as too much garlic powders in the ramen. And there is such a thing as too much black peppers. So you gotta adjust it to your taste. Excuse me. And it's gonna depend on what flavor ramen you have. Excuse me. Garlic blends very nicely with chicken ramen. Same with the crushed black pepper. And if you put too much, you're taking away you're taking away from the chicken flavor. You want them to blend. Excuse me. Excuse me. I actually just ate before this. I ate a plate of rice and tomatoes and lettuce and salmons. And then immediately after I started cooking ramens. And now we're here. The second part of the meal. Excuse me. Excuse me. was watching a video on AI before I started eating this and filming this. I think AI is going to be a crucial part of our pending extinction. I feel like it's already begun. It's very subtle. It doesn't matter. We'll be gone soon enough. And that's that. Excuse me. Excuse me. This is coffee. Excuse me. To human extinction via AI. To perpetual warfare between Christians and Muslims. What else? Excuse me. Excuse me. What else? Excuse me. More racism. A lot more. And that's that.